Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you how to easily install an app on any of these generic Chinese Android tablets. I say they're Chinese Android tablets because they're just general tablets. They don't really have any popular names. For example, this one is called Dynamic Halo. Alright, so of course you can check it out right here. And you can see the home screen. These are Android based devices, so you can tap make sure you're connected to the internet. So go ahead and turn on the internet if it's not on. So in this case of this one, it's not on. All right, so I'm gonna connect. It will do its thing in the background, and of course while it's connecting, it is now connected. I can see in the upper left hand section right up here that it's connecting and working. All right, so you're gonna go to the Play Store, or what we call the Google Play Store. All right, so you're gonna tap on Play Store. Now the Play Store is going to load. All right, so once you're in the main screen, you'll notice there's option for apps, games, and so on. All right, if you know the name of the app that you want, you can go ahead and search. All right, so you can use the search function to search through your apps or through the apps in the Play Store, or of course you can go with one of the more popular ones. So for example, let's say we're going to install Instagram. We'll tap on Instagram, and of course it will bring us to this screen. We will tap install, and of course again it will do its thing, and it sets up there installing. It says the install is pending, and of course I could go ahead and cancel if I change my mind. And of course we'll allow it to do its thing. Notice the process has started, and it will start to install the application on your device. Depending on the speed of your internet, it will take varying amounts of time. Now when the application is finished, if you have it set up that way, it will appear on the desktop. Notice it says downloading. It's finishing up the process. If it doesn't show up here, you can swipe up and go to your app store. It will be the latest app that's down here. All right, so we can monitor it here, and the process is quite simple. So it's completing the download process. When it's completed, as now when you see Instagram, it will tell you it's completed. If not, you'll see that it has finished loading. You can tap and the application will work. All right, so that is the tutorial here. I do hope this was useful. And as always, Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips, showing you how to install Instagram on any Chinese or generic Android tablet. All right, so see you in the next one, guys. Bye.